How to make resume or CV in 5 minutes. Open any browser and type resumemaker.online. Link is given in the description below. Click on Design My Resume. It's free and no sign-up required. Write your full name here. Mention here your profession or specialty like engineer, accountant, or whatever your profession is. Upload your photo here. Mention your personal details here, your birthday, your nationality, and your address here. Enter your contact information here. Mention your professional experience here, your job title, company name, and job description. Also mention the year of joining and resigning. Mention your education details. You can also change the color of resume, font, and font size. If you want to add more details, go to Sections and click on the section you want to add. Update your skills and interests. Now let us preview our resume and download it. If you want to edit, you can go back and edit. Or else if it is ready you can download PDF. Download is completed, now let's open it. An example of an updated resume. We've come up with some basic rules in making resume that will get you that much closer to success. Keep it to one page. Avoid spelling or grammar errors. Watch your tenses. Avoid the first-person pronouns. Send your resume as a PDF. Label your resume file correctly. Make sure it's easy to read. This way of making resume is very easy and simple. I hope that you can make a professional resume in less than 5 minutes. If you like this video, please do like this video, and if you have any doubts or problems, then you can comment below.